ABC Action News starts with breaking news.
With that breaking news, you're looking live at the TECO plant in Apollo Beach, where several people were hurt in what Hillsborough Fire Rescue is calling a major incident.
We're trying still to confirm the exact number of people injured, but I want you to take a look at this new shot. It's new video we're just getting in of patients arriving at Tampa General Hospital. The hospital is saying that it's received 4 patients so far. We're hearing they're suffering from major burns. We've got crews fanning across the Bay Area right now to cover this major breaking story.
Let's begin with our Clifton French. He's live in Apollo Beach with what might have happened out there. Clifton.
Oh, right now we're still waiting to get confirmation on exactly what happened here, but excuse me, as you were talking, we've seen several fire trucks leaving the scene. Now, what I can tell you is it appears that they've been driving from somewhere near the smokestacks over here, but once again, just not clear exactly what happened. We do know at least 4 patients. I want to show you some video that our reporter at the hospital, at Tampa General Hospital, got of patients being driven there. Also, we know that patients were flown there. We know at least 4 people have been taken to the hospital. Now, TECO, officials with TECO telling me a handful of patients, and they possibly have burns. The sheriff's office says right now they are in rescue mode. Hillsborough County Fire Rescue telling me that this is a major incident, and it's not clear once again what happened here. Initially described as a hazmat situation. What we do know about this plant is there are 4 coal-powered units and a natural gas and fuel oil unit, so this could involve a multitude of different issues. Now, about half an hour ago, I was told that we would be getting an update from TECO in 20 or so minutes, so we're hoping that somebody's going to come here either with the sheriff's office, with Hillsborough County Rescue, or with TECO to tell us more details about exactly what was going on here. And believe me, we'll bring that info to you as soon as we get it. I'm reporting live in Hillsborough County. Clifton French, ABC Action News.
All right, Clifton, thank you. Going in depth now, the most recent incident at Big Bend happened back in 2014. A contractor fell to his death off of a crosswalk there, but the worst accident happening back in 1999 when a generator exploded at what was then the Gannon Power Station. 3 people died and 50 others were injured. Federal investigators claimed workers failed to drain hydrogen gas from the generator, and that caused the blast back then. The feds fined TECO more than $25,000.
And stay with us. We have continuing coverage of this breaking story on air, online at abcactionnews.com, and on our free mobile apps.